Hi, this is Eric with TechShop and another edition of Tool Showcase. Today we've got something I'm looking forward to trying out. It's the Easy On Hose Press Model 409B from Koul Tools. The Easy On Hose Press is designed to install push-on hose onto barbed fittings, and it'll do anything from 1/4 inch to 1 inch. Before I try it out, I wanted to show you how it comes. It's laid out neatly in this case. You've got the hose press, extra jaws for larger diameter hose, plastic inserts for angled fittings over here, and adapters for straight fittings over here. So I've got it out of the case and looked it over. It's constructed of aluminum and stainless steel, and it's a well-made piece, I can tell you that. The traveling carriage rolls on a track on sealed bearings, and the drive screw has ball bearings at each end. The vise wheels and the drive screw all feature a 17mm hex, and it's also got some long rubber feet on the base to keep it from sliding around during use. Now first, I'm going to lubricate the drive screw and vise threads to keep the unit running smoothly. All you have to do is clamp your fitting in the vise using the correct adapter, clamp the hose into the jaws, and use a ratchet or a power tool to spin the drive screw. It's as easy as that. You can see how well it worked, and that simply speaks for itself. But there's also an optional nylon fuel line kit that allows you to install 5/16 inch and 3/8 inch fuel line fittings into nylon line. I know that's always a fight, so I'm going to pick one up and I'll let you know how it works. If you'd like more information about the Koul Tools Easy On Hose Press or some of their other products, check them out at koultools.com. And don't forget to go to techshopmag.com for more Tool Showcase videos. Thanks for watching TechShop's Tool Showcase.